Hey friends, we are on lesson 9 dash or 9.3 in our book. So you're going to want to get to those pages. It's page 441, 442, 443, 444. You can leave them in your book if you've been working in your book, or you can tear them out if it's easier and just hold on to them. We don't usually do this first page. If you watched the other video that I just put up, we are measuring with the centimeter side of your ruler now. And remember, centimeters are the smaller. It's the smaller side of your ruler. It goes up to 30 on a regular 12-inch ruler. So if you're using the side that goes to 12, you're using the inch side. You want to use the other side, which goes up to 30. But when we measure, we use the same rules. We start on the 0, which is the line that's all the way down to the left-hand side next to the 1. Well, it might not have a 0. It might just be a line. So you line it up with the end of what you're measuring, and then you follow it across to whatever is closest when it ends. So if we look at this crayon, it's going to be about 9 centimeters across. What do you say? Start at 0, go to 9. I'm going to just do 1 in my book, and then I'll fill in the answer for you. Go ahead and try to measure number 1 by yourself. I'm going to measure it off here to the side because my computer screen isn't the same size as your book. So I'm going to do it in my book. I'm going to measure the paintbrush using my centimeter side of my ruler. Starts at 1, goes all the way up to 30. Paintbrush, if I start at 0, I know what I have as an answer. Get yours done. See if you come up with the same answer as me, which I think is about 15 centimeters. If you got 15, give me a whoop whoop. Now, if you said that the paintbrush was about 6 centimeters, what was your mistake? You measured with the wrong side of the ruler. You used inches. Inches only go up to 12. Inches are bigger than centimeters are. So if we look at our ruler, here's the 6 and come straight across. And then if I flip this over, right where that was, that's about the 15. So that's a simple mistake to make. People make those all the time. Most of our numbers will be bigger than 6 today as we go through, because it looks like these are a little bit bigger. So go ahead and measure those. Have mom, dad, your grown-up older brother or sister check that for you. And we are going to go through page 442, 443. Let me erase this. Back to here. And page 444, the hot is not really that hard. They're asking you how to measure this, even though it's not lined up on the 0. See if you can figure that one out, and then explain how you did it. Just in a couple words, 1 sentence maybe. And this one's real easy. So finish that up. You're doing a good job. There's really no difference between measuring or how to measure in centimeters. You're just going to have a different answer than when we measured in inches. All right. Bye.